Welcome to GK Quiz Prime Time. Which airport has become the first in India to introduce hydrogen powered buses for passenger transportation within its premises? Right answer is option C, Cochin International Airport. Cochin International Airport will operate three hydrogen fuel cell buses. Each bus will reduce about 50 tons of carbon emissions annually. The initiative supports the National Green Hydrogen Mission under the Kerala Hydrogen Valley project. According to the Economic Survey 2025-26, which Indian state accounts for the highest share of generative AI startups in the country? Correct answer is option A, Karnataka. According to the Economic Survey 2025-26, Karnataka accounts for the highest share of generative AI startups in India, hosting 39% of the country's total. Which service contingent was declared the best marching contingent at the Republic Day Parade 2026? Right answer is option D, Indian Navy. The Indian Navy was adjudged the best marching contingent among the three services at the Republic Day Parade 2026. The Delhi Police won the award for the best marching contingent among the Central Armed Police Forces and other auxiliary forces. The Supreme Court ruled that the right to menstrual hygiene is protected under which fundamental right of the Indian Constitution? Right answer is option C, Article 21, Right to Life and Personal Liberty. The Supreme Court of India declared menstrual health and hygiene a constitutional right under Article 21. It mandates free sanitary products, proper toilets, safe disposal, and awareness measures for girls from classes 6 to 12. Which district in Chhattisgarh became the first in India to collect property tax through the Samarth Panchayat portal? Right answer is option D, Dhamtari. Dhamtari, Chhattisgarh became India's first district to start online property tax collection via the Samarth Panchayat portal. It was launched at Sankara Gram Panchayat with UPI based payment system. Sankara became the first Gram Panchayat with fully digital tax payment. On which date was World Cancer Day observed in the year 2026? Right answer is option C, 4th February. World Cancer Day is observed on 4th February every year. It is led by UICC. It raises awareness, promotes prevention, early detection, and equitable treatment. The theme was United by Unique, focusing on patients and global unity in cancer care. How many individuals were awarded the Sarvottam Jeevan Raksha Padak in 2025? Right answer is option A, 6. Jeevan Raksha Padak 1961 is a civilian life-saving gallantry award from Ashoka Chakra series. The categories are Sarvottam, Uttam and Jeevan. 30 awards were presented, in which 6 were Sarvottam, 6 Uttam, 18 Jeevan and 6 were posthumous. The World Bank approved financial assistance of how much amount for the Jal Sanrakshit Haryana project aimed at making Haryana self-reliant in the water sector? Right answer is option B, rupees 5,700 crore. World Bank assistance approved rupees 5,700 crore for Jal Sanrakshit Haryana project. Its objective is to make Haryana self-reliant in water sector. The funds are disbursed in phases 2026 to 2032. Veteran journalist Sir William Mark Tully, who passed away at the age of 90 in New Delhi, was associated with which international media organization? Right answer is option B, BBC. Sir William Mark Tully was a veteran journalist in New Delhi. He was associated with the BBC and served as New Delhi bureau chief. Known as the Voice of India, he reported major South Asian events. Indian mountaineer Kaba Kiano successfully climbed Mount Aconcagua, which is recognized as the highest peak of which continent? Right answer is option C, South America. Cabo an Indian mountaineer, summited Mount Aconcagua, Argentina, highest peak in South America, as part of her seven summit mountaineering expedition. Stay updated, stay ahead. Subscribe for more current affairs and competitive exam prep.